guys, this is a 6-foot adapter hose from your propane tank to a Blackstone. The propane side has a regulator on there for you. And then this side is nice and easy. It's a brass fitting, and I really like the 90-degree elbow fitting that it is. And to take it off, you're just going to unscrew, and then you can pull. And to put it back on, obviously, it's the opposite. Whoops, where you're gonna push it on, and then just screw it on so it's nice and tight. We like to take our Blackstone camping when we go, and so it's nice to be able to easily unplug this. And I'm glad I have 6 feet of hose, because we like to keep our propane tank further away from the table that this sets on when we're camping. Here it doesn't matter so much because the propane tank is so close, but obviously 6 feet can be really helpful if you need that extra distance. So if you're looking for a high quality adapter hose from your propane tank to your Blackstone with this beautiful 90-degree fitting that easily connects, this is a great option.